Everything that's on this card just been deleted. I was talking about lug nuts. Hey, I'm Fish. I took a walk, went to Advance Auto, and I went to go get a lug nut. I had taken a picture, and you can see the price right there, $2.49. If I made an order and went to curbside pickup, it was $2.99. I went in the store, and it came out to $3.99, and a totally different SKU number. Either the internet we're on and the stock they have, they don't match up to that car there. And yeah, man, I came out paying $3.99, $4 and change with tax. Not a big deal for something that you really need for the car. Do check your lug nuts out on the car because they will loosen up and one will come off. I'm happy we got the lug nut back on. You're curious of the lug nut? An M12 1.5. That fits my car. What does your car take? An M12 1.5. I didn't yell. Light came off again, it broke. So what I did was I drilled the gimbal straight through, right up into the light. I put a screw. I got to tighten the bolt, put a little glue on it, but it's holding strong now. The 3 untied sailboats are now across the bay. And it's a wonderful shot indeed. As the sun rises, maybe you want to hop on the sailboat. They still float. They still got to be good. A little maintenance, and off you go with a nice boat. 3 for the price of 1. I want to head down and show you something classic. Not the Cybertruck, but the Cybertruck you may like. Shot caught my attention because of the snowball bush, the house, and the buggy. It's just a classic sitting there. Well, at least they finished the road. I get to go down to the shore, see what it looks like, and maybe capture a cruise ship coming in. From this angle, you don't see a cruise ship. Looks like Mr. Eagle again. There he is. Now we got the sun rising. Look how nice and big that bad boy is. I gotta go through the river. Not fixed. I don't want to get stuck in it. No, I missed it again. But I'll set up over here so I could get the sun rise. Well, the one thing I do want to say, and I have to set it up to say it because it's only days away, not even. Is this the way I remember doing it? All capital letters. The stem, the bike light, the mirror, bike pumps, rear lights, and more. Well, I'm just gonna enjoy that beautiful sunrise. I can't mope about it. It happens. Things do get lost. And I wish this helmet was just a little bit better in ways so I could set things up and all. It is what it is, man. I enjoyed what I had. So I want to say, right on. Look at that bad boy, man. I like that. Well, I said a lot, did a lot, shared a lot, showed some. I don't think I said that or did my beginning intro. Not everything is about all. It's about just having some fun and getting on out there. Well, let's get on that bike and go on riding. Spend what, about $100, $150? That's a nice big one. And they gotta take it down, throw it away. Well, that's a nice job to have. And yeah, the reading books, they didn't get hit and knocked over this time. So let's get on out of here and get on going. I see him every day. He's doing his exercise before he takes his bath. My block is still not done. It'll be done. They're just about up to this block. The next day or two will be paved. So I gone on the sidewalk. It's comfortable. Then the street gets all bumpy. So yeah, like I said, it'll get done. We're on the paved road now. So the sun's in your eyes, not mine. Well, enjoy the sunrise. It's time to say, see you on the next one. I'll see you on the next one. Later.